So something I need to keep in mind is that I'm used to using Google Sheets, but you might not be. I suggest not trying to recreate what I did. That's going to take you a while, and that's not the purpose of this project. The purpose is to work on character traits. So I'm going to show you the easy way. I suggest, like, if you just click one time, it selects a box. It's important to know what box you're on in order, or it's called a cell if you want to get fancy, but whatever. You select it, and then boom, you hit backspace, and it disappears. Now, if I type another word in for my character trait list, like brave, then, and notice I don't capitalize it because it's just a character trait. It's not a proper noun or anything. It's still bold, right? I had set it as bold. I could see it's bold here. If I want to italicize it, I could. But notice if I'm going to make it happen, I actually have to select the whole thing to make it italicized. Okay, so that's one way. Also, we said we wanted to insert images, but you can't use my image for Brave, right? That image works for Selfish. So I select the image with my mouse. I hit backspace, and then boom, it shifted over here. So you got to be careful. See how it's highlighted in blue? I know that it's highlighting that cell, and that's where it's. So come back over here, select the cell, and now I want to insert an image, and I want to insert an image into that cell. I suggest you go to Google Image Search. It's the easiest one. We'll learn other ways later. And I mean, yes, these are all images. You know, they say be brave, but I want an actual picture that shows someone who is acting brave in some way. So let's see. What do they have? Maybe we go with like a samurai warrior, and we insert that into the. Oh, okay. So sometimes that'll happen. That's good that that happened actually, because then you can see it's not all rainbows. Sometimes it's difficult. Maybe if I put brave person, sometimes you have to get more specific. Oh, okay. We could go with Superman. I'll go with that. Ooh, or Spider-Man. Spider-Man's more my speed. Let's see if it'll put it in there. Boom. Okay. Sometimes it takes a second and then it works out, right? So you've got my image. I've got this word and I've got this text. So here's the thing. Sometimes when you're typing, like I'm going to delete this text and let's say I insert the definition of brave, and look, see, it says it's an adjective. Nice. And I put it in here. I paste it. Look at that. Look what happens when I pasted it. Why is it doing that? And it's not the same size as this. So I need to highlight the box. Actually, highlight this one to see what it's Catamaran 14. See how it's Catamaran 14. So I'm going to change this. Oh, actually, right. We have to select the whole text. So I just double clicked to make that happen, to make this pop up. Now I select it. I'm going to make it Catamaran, which is there. And we said we want to make it 14. Okay. So I fixed one problem. It looks the same now, but look, why is it running all the way over here? You know why? Because you need to select your box, hit format, and then wrap your text. Boom, solved. If you want to get really fancy, you could do this. Yeah, select that. So it's a left alignment, but also it's in the middle, right? These two arrows tell you what the vertical alignment is. So I think that's about it. I mean, if you want to play with like making this bigger or smaller, you can. So like if I go like that, it adjusts it that way. Or if I want to adjust the row, you know, it's up to you. You can play around with it as you like. I'll go reset it back to what I had it. But also don't forget, there's this little extra resource. If you're interested in finding more images, you could right there. Okay. Good luck, everybody.